Hey everyone, and this is a video of if you were to start resin, and I'm going to show you the things that you need to start off with resin. So first off, you need the resin and hardener, and I'm just going to show you the reason why I got a cloth around it is because it's so sticky. So and I don't like the stickiness. So you need the hardener, and the actual resin is white writing, so you can't really see it. And I use EasyCast, and it's from America, and I don't live in America, so I have to buy it on Amazon, and for me it cost £12.47. So yeah, it's cheap. It's cheap, but it goes fast. If you can see here, that's how much I've used. If you can see that the hardener, that's how much I used. So yeah, so you need resin and hardener. Then you'll need obviously a mold to put them in. So I've got these molds here. I've got loads more. But yeah, there's like, oh sorry about that lighting, it's just turned funny. Yeah, so you would need a mold, and what you have to do is you have to mix the resin and the hardener onto equal parts, so they're both the same amount of what you're going to put into the mold. Then you stir it, and if you get air bubbles, just let it stand until the air bubbles gone. I've just started with resin, and it's kind of tricky to put up with. It's only because, you know, I'm not used to resin or anything. And so yeah, you need a mold to put them in. Then you'll need some glitter. I've just got all different colours here. And glitter to mix up with the resin if you wanted to make them colourful or unique. So yeah, then you need some confetti. Like, this is an optional thing. You can use confetti, like there's stars and circles in there. It will just it's just decoration, you know. It's up to you if you want to use confetti or not. So yeah. Then you'll need, well, mostly everyone uses stickers, but you don't have to use stickers, but it just makes them into a cute little jewellery thing, like a little pendant. So yeah, I just got some Charmy Kitty stickers and all that. So yeah, you can use any stickers. So I've got like these Disney princess ones, like some hearts and flowers, and even embellishments, like, you know, it just helps with your creation and what you're going to do, like especially when you're entering for contests. It'll increase your chances of winning, or it could be, depends what the contest is about. Once you've made your charm, you may want to glaze it, and I don't actually have actual glaze, I just use nail polish. So yeah, it helps bring out the shine of your charm. Like, I need to glaze some of my charms. I will do a tutorial on how to glaze resin charms, because it could be difficult for some people over YouTube. So yeah, so this is what all you need. I'll just show you. I will do a tutorial on things of resin if you want me to. So molds, glitter, confetti, and nail polish. I use nail polish because it's cheaper. And then stickers. And then obviously the resin and hardener. I can't really lay it out because it's sticky. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing a resin tutorial for you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.